All right, let's talk about problem 84 on page N. It's a little different than some of the other problems on the page, and yet these are not too hard. The problem reads, 1 troy ounce of silver weighs 31.3 grams. How long, so it's time, will it take a current of 2.5 amps to plate 3 ounces of silver onto another surface? So we want to liberate, so the mass that's going to be liberated is not just 31.3 grams, that's 1 ounce, but we need to do 3 ounces. So we're going to take 31.3 times 3, okay? So, I just realized I wrote that down wrong. I wrote down 31.3, and it is 31.1 right here. Okay, 31.1 times 3. Then we're going to take the current. It's 2.5 amps, so we'll keep that. So we have that right here. The Z value, again, not hard. We just look up the 107.87 on our chart. Divide by the constant of 96,500, and so you'll have a long decimal number. Keep it as long as you can, okay? So do that math, do this math, and then notice this is our main formula, but we're solving for time. So to solve for time, what I need to do is divide by Z and divide by I. And that will leave me with time equals, do the same thing over here, M divided by Z and I. So Z and I are both on the bottom. All right, then it's just a matter of taking Z times I, get that answer, and then take your answer for the mass and divide. Now, let me just warn you, you're going to get a big number because that is in seconds. And the score key wants the answer in hours. Now, when I just did this problem on my own, because it's not in the solution manual, it's just in the score key. So when I did the math, I came out with an answer that was maybe 2 or 3 100ths different than what they had in the score key. Okay, so if it's off by just a little bit of a decimal part, give yourself credit if you went through all of these steps. All right, it's just a matter of probably where we rounded off the Z, and yeah. All right, I think we are done with page N.